Hello guys, welcome to my class. In this module, we will discuss about approximation. First, rounding a number to nearest 10. To do so, we have to follow some steps given below. Look at while rounding up a number to the nearest 10, first look at the ones digit of the given number. If the ones digit is less than 5, replace ones digit by 0 and keep other digits as they are. Step 3. If ones digit is 5 or more than 5, increase tens digit by 1 and replace ones digit by 0 and keep other digits as they are. For example, rounding off each of the following numbers to the nearest 10. The given number is 63 and we have to round off 63 to nearest 10. First look at the unit place digit. In 63, unit place digit is 3, which is less than 5. So replace the unit place digit 3 by 0 and keep the 10 place digit 6 as it is. So when it is rounded off to the nearest 10, it becomes 60. Another number 248. The given number is 248. We will round up 248 to the nearest 10. So first look at the digit at unit place. The unit place digit of 248 is 8, which is greater than 5. So follow the step 2 and 3. Now replace unit place digit 8 by 0 and 10 plus digit 4. 10 plus digit is 4. Increase 4 by 1, so it becomes 5 and keep the 100 plus digit as it is. That is 2, it will remain as 2, so it becomes 250. 8 unit plus digit 8 is replaced by 0. 10 plus digit is increased by 1. 10 plus digit 4 becomes 5 and 100 plus digit 2 remains same, that is 2. So the number 248 rounded off to the nearest 10 and becomes 250. Another number 6075. So in 6075, unit place digit is 5. Unit digit is 5. Now round off the number to the nearest 10. Replace the unit place digit 5 by 0. Add 1 to the 10 plus digit. While adding 1 to the 10 plus digit, the 10 plus digit 7 becomes 8 and keep same the 100 and 1000 plus digit. 100 plus digit is 0, it remains the same. 1000 plus digit 6, it also remains as it is. So it becomes, when rounded off to the nearest 10, 6075 becomes 6080. Now rounding a number to the nearest 100. While rounding a number to the nearest 100, look at the tens digit of the given number. If the tens digit is less than 5, replace each one of the tens and unit place digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. If tens digit is 5 or more than 5, increase 100 place digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0 and keep the digits in 1000, 10,000 and other places as they are. That is, keep the digits same which are left to the 100 plus digit. Now look at the example. Example 2. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 100. 739. The given number is 739. Look at the 10 plus digit. In 739, 10 plus digit is 3. And 3 is less than 5. So replace unit plus digit 9 and 10 plus digit 3 by 0. And keep same the 100 plus digit 7. So 7 remains 7, 3 and 9 replaced by 0. So 739 rounded up to nearest 10 and becomes 700. Another number 4758. The given number is 4759. Its 10 plus digit is 5. 4758 tens plus digit is 5, which is equal to 5. Now add 1 to the 100. Now add 1 to the 100 plus digit 7. So 7 becomes 8. And replace unit and 10 plus digit by 0 and keep same the 1000 plus digit 4. 4 remains as it is, so it becomes 4758. When rounded up to nearest 10 becomes 4000. Rounded up to nearest 100 becomes 4800. Another number 24,365. We have to round up the number to the nearest 100. It's 10. Look at the 10 plus digit. Its 10 plus digit is 6, and the 6 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 100 plus digit 3, and 3 becomes 4. Replace the unit and 10 plus digit by 0 and keep same the digits at 1000 and 10,000 place. So it becomes 24,400 while rounded up to nearest 100. Now third one, rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. While rounding up a number to the nearest 1000, look at the 100 plus digit of the given number. If the 100 plus digit is less than 5, replace each of the 100, 10 and unit plus digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Other digit means keep the digits which are left to the 100 plus. Keep these digits same. If 100 digit is 5 or more, increase the 1000 digits by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. Now let us see. Look at the example 3. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest 1000. So given number is 6498. While rounding up a number to the nearest 1000, first we have to look at the 100 plus digit. In 6498, 100 plus digit is 4, and which is less than 5. So replace 100 plus, 10 plus and unit plus digit by 0 and keep same the 1000 plus digit. So 1000 plus digit is 6, it remains as it is, and 110 and unit plus digits are replaced by 0. So while rounding up the number 6498 to the nearest 1000, it becomes 6000. Now let's see another number 15,624. We have to round up this number to the nearest 1000. While rounding up a number to the nearest thousand, we have to look at the 100 plus digit. Here the 100 plus digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So replace unit and 10 plus digit, unit 10 and 100 plus digit by 0, and add 1 to the 1000 plus digit. Here 1000 plus digit is 5. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 6, and keep same the 10,000 plus digit, or the digits which are left to the 1000 plus digit, and replace unit 10 and 100 plus digit by 0. So 15,624 rounded up to nearest 1000 becomes 16,000. Now problems on approximation. Find the approximate sum to the nearest 10. 54 estimated to the nearest 10 as 50, since its unit place digit is 4, which is less than 5. So unit place digit is replaced by 0, and 10 plus digit remains as it is. In 86, unit place digit is 6, which is greater than 5. So unit place digit is replaced by 0, and 10 plus digit is increased by 1. So 86 becomes 90. Hence the required approximation sum 50 plus 90, 140. Find the approximate sum 486 plus 248 to the nearest 1000, nearest 100. 486 rounded up to 500, since it 10 plus digit is more than 5, that is 8. So unit and 10 plus digit are replaced by 0, and 100 plus digit 4 is increased by 1 and becomes 5. 248 is estimated to the nearest 100. Its 10 plus digit is 4, which is less than 5. So 10 and unit plus digit are replaced by 0, and 100 plus digit remains as it is. So 248 estimated to the nearest 10 is equal to 200. So the required sum 500 plus 200, 700. Find the approximation sum 24,687 plus 38,403 plus 53,628 to the nearest 1000. 24,687 estimated to nearest 1000 becomes 25,000. 38,403 estimated to nearest 1000 becomes 38,000. 53,628 estimated to the nearest 1000 becomes 54,000. And their sum is 1,17,000. Example 8. Find the approximate difference to the nearest 100. 784 is estimated to nearest 100 as 800. 349 is estimated to the nearest 100 as 300. So 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. Find the approximate product 486 and 547 by rounding up each number to the nearest 100. 486 estimated to the nearest 100 is equal to 500. 547 is estimated to the nearest 100, which is equal to 500. Hence the approximate product is 500 into 500, 2,50,000. Find the approximate quotient for each of the following. 87 divided by 23. 837 divided by 23 is approximately equal to 837 its approximate value is 800, and approximate value of 23 is 20. So 800 divided by 20 is equal to 40. Approximate value of 837 is 800. Approximate value of 23 is 20. So 800 divided by 20 is equal to 40. Similarly, other problems can be solved.